Welcome to our channel. Netgear XR1000 NOS Nighthawk Pro Gaming Wi-Fi 6 Router. Setup is a bit clunky, not gonna lie. It looks easy on paper, but that DumaOS setup screen can get weird sometimes. You plug it in, follow the app, and then boom, firmware update, login, passwords. A bunch of screens that feel like they came from 2012. It works, but it's not smooth. Wi-Fi 6 speeds are legit. Once it's up and running though, yeah, it's fast. Like, legit fast. If you've got Wi-Fi 6 devices, newer laptops, PS5, stuff like that, it'll push solid speeds through walls. Ping stays stable, which is the whole point of this router. Gaming dashboard is cool but overhyped. Everyone talks about that DumaOS gaming dashboard like it's some next level magic. It's good, yeah, but you're not gonna shave 30 milliseconds off your ping just by clicking optimize. What it really helps with is bandwidth control, prioritizing your console or PC so downloads don't kill your ping. The interface takes time to learn. There's a ton of stuff in there: GeoFilter, ping heatmap, COS sliders, device manager, and honestly, it's kinda overwhelming at first. You'll need to spend a few hours messing with it before it makes sense. Once you get it though, it's powerful. Build quality feels solid. This thing's built like a tank. Heavy, sharp lines, big vents, red LEDs that scream, gamer. Doesn't feel cheap at all. It runs warm, not hot, but you'll want to keep it in open air. Don't shove it in a cabinet. Range is good, not great. It covers a medium-sized house fine. But don't expect it to blast Wi-Fi through multiple concrete walls. If you've got a big house, grab a mesh extender. On its own, the XR1000's range is solid but not mind-blowing. Firmware updates are kinda hit or miss. Netgear drops updates here and there, but sometimes they fix one thing and break another. I had one that killed my port forwarding setup completely. Keep your firmware up to date, but maybe wait a few days after release before installing. Ping control actually works, mostly. The GeoFilter is probably the best part. You can literally block distant servers, so your games connect closer to home. Works great with Call of Duty and Apex. Doesn't always play nice with every title though, some games ignore it completely. Price feels steep for what you get. It's not cheap. You're paying a premium for the DumaOS and the Pro Gaming label. If you just want good Wi-Fi, there are cheaper routers that'll do it. But if you want fine control over latency and bandwidth, this one does stand out. Ideal for gamers, not for everyone. If you're into gaming, streaming, and running multiple devices at once, the XR1000 makes sense. But if you just browse and watch Netflix, you're not gonna notice half the features. Thank you for watching.